I think this is the part that confuses most people about Temu. Everyone says you need referrals. Invite people, share links, keep sending it to others. And honestly, that's where most people just stop because not everyone wants to do that. I didn't either. So I tried something different. Instead of focusing on referrals, I just followed how the system actually behaves. And that's when things started making more sense, because the free gift system isn't really built around referrals first. It's built around how you enter and how you interact after that. The first time I tried it, I opened Temu normally, looked around, clicked a few things, and yeah, nothing really happened. It felt like I was just stuck. Then I tried it again, but this time I entered through the promotion first. Didn't touch anything else, just entered differently, and that's when the free gift section actually showed up. No referrals, no sharing, just there. After that, I followed what it showed me. Small steps, offers, interactions, and that's where the progress started moving. Now, to be clear, this doesn't mean instant free item with zero effort. That's not how it works. But it does mean you don't always need referrals to start seeing progress. That's the difference. Because most people never even reach that stage where the system is active, and that's why it feels impossible. Try it once this way and tell me, did it finally show up without referrals or still nothing?